turn. Your turn. Nathaniel, it's your turn. Well, then listen.
Hudson, are you showing kindness to your brother?
No. I'm sorry, Nathaniel.
It's okay.
Hudson, are you showing kindness to your brother?
No.
I need you to go sit on your bed and think about why you chose to speak to your brother that way.
Yes, Mommy.
Hudson,
Yes.
have you thought about why you chose to speak to your brother that way?
Yes, I guess I was just mad that he wasn't listening to me.
I can understand that. I get frustrated too sometimes when you kids don't obey. But the way that you handled your frustration, was that building him up or was it tearing him down?
Tearing down.
How do you think that made him feel?
Sad, like I don't love him.
How could you have handled your frustration while still showing love to your brother?
I guess I could have just asked him nicely to listen or just spoken louder.
That's right. What do you think you need to do right now?
Go make it right with Nathaniel. Nathaniel, I'm sorry for losing my self-control and yelling at you. It was wrong. Will you forgive me?
Yes.
Do you want to go finish the game?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you think you need to do right now?
Go make it right with Nathaniel.
I'm glad you've repented and you're ready to make it right with your brother. However, this is the second time that we've talked about this today. So after you make it right with Nathaniel, I need you to come back up to your room and you can play Legos or you can read books, but you need to be by yourself. You've lost the freedom to play anymore with your brother tonight.
Yes, Mommy.